Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can open PayPal account. One of my video, I talked about how you can make money online, where I talked about how you can make up to 3k daily from the comfort of your home using your smartphone. And some of the websites where I showed there actually said that you need PayPal account. Yes, most of the websites you need to use foreign accounts to get your money. You can't use your local account to get your money. And also in that video, I also said that I have something for anyone that subscribe. Yes, and that is where I'm making this video. So if you don't watch that video, the link is up here. You can just go click on it and watch it so you can know how you can make at least 3k daily using just your smartphone. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can open PayPal account right here in Nigeria. And most of us know that you can't actually use PayPal accounts in Nigeria. Yes, PayPal accounts are banned from Nigeria. You can't use it in it's not Nigeria cannot access PayPal accounts here in Nigeria. And most of us have actually different websites where we are using where they normally ask us to use PayPal accounts so we can get our money, and we find it's very difficult to access our money without this PayPal account, and that is why I've decided to make this video. So if you are really enjoying this video, go to the comment section and type smart payment. Yes, go to the comment section and type smart payment if you are really watching this video to this stage. Yeah, so if you have typed that video, then that means you are really serious. Now I will show you how to open PayPal account, and also in the end of the video I'll also be showing you a very important thing you have to know about these things that I'll be showing you. I will advise you not to watch half video, or advise you to watch video to the end so you get everything that I'm about to teach in this video. If you are in any country which is not eligible to PayPal account, just as us in Nigeria, then I'll advise you to watch video to the end, because that is where you'll be able to get the full tutorial on how you can open this PayPal account. So as we are diving in, please I will advise you to flip your phone so you get all the details. So I'll be flipping my phone while teaching you so you can get the full details on how you can do it. So guys, for us to open this PayPal account, you have to open a US PayPal account. Yes, it's a US PayPal account we have to open so we can access PayPal account. So what you just go to your browser and search for paypal.com/US. Then just click on search. Then this place will be open for you to just create your PayPal account. Over here you can see login, and this other place you are seeing sign up. If you already have an account, you can just log in. But since in this case we don't have an account, we'll be using the sign up button. Yes, just click on the sign up and see this place, personal or business. On this personal, that is if you just want to use it for yourself. Why business? If you want to use it for outside country. So in this case of if you want to use it to receive money from other different countries. So in this case of the video, we'll be using this business. Click on the business and click on get started. Yes, this is where you fill in all your details for you to create your PayPal account. These are just the basic details: your name, email address, password, blah blah blah. Yes, then yeah, this everything here. You put your code, your street address, then zip code. Then this where you see SSN or ITIN. Yes, this is the main issue why we Nigerians cannot actually access this PayPal account, this SSN. Yes, this is it over here. So what do you do? So since we can't get SSN, we can actually get ITIN. Yes, if you can't get SSN, you can get ITIN. So how do you get this ITIN? To get ITIN is not that easy still, but you can actually get ITIN to use your PayPal account, because this SSN is the main reason why people can't access this PayPal account here in Nigeria. Now, how do you create this SSN, or how do you get this ITIN? Yes, ITIN is actually available for everyone, even in Nigeria. So to get the ITIN code, just go to this place. Yes, go to your browser and search for this place. search for the ITIN. Search for the ITIN. Then you see their website. Yes. Get a US bank account. Yes. So this is where you can actually get your IT. This is where you can actually get your ITIN. So the truth is, you have to pay for it. Yes, you have to actually pay for it. And you can see the fee here is $348, and this is actually one of the cheapest websites I've ever seen. You can get your ITIN. But if you use the link in my description, yes, there's a link in my description, you'll be getting a $50 discount. Yes, if you use the link in my description, you'll be getting a $50 discount. Once you have get it, then you just put the business type you want, the state where you are from. Then you click on order now. And another thing about this website is the fastest. In less than 48 hours, you will get your ITIN. Yes, that just is the fastest. So, and if you also wanted to help you create your paper account, you can actually ask them to create your paper account for you for free. Yes, once you already pay to get the ITIN, then you can get your paper account for free. That just is. So the link to this website where you can get the $50 discount is in my description. You can just actually click on it and you will get it. Okay guys, so that is how you can actually get your paper account. So for those of you that don't actually have money to pay for this paper account, there's other ways to get other foreign accounts for free, like Pioneer. I think Pioneer and one that one, I forgot the name, but there's actually two others. So if you want me to make a video on that, on how you can actually get that, then I'll invite you to hit the like button. Yes, subscribe. Yes, subscribe, turn notification bell, and go to comment section and type and let me know if you want me to make a video on to open Pioneer account here in Nigeria. Yes, because you can actually use Pioneer account to receive foreign money for other country. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to make that video, and if you really want me to make that video, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. I'll be see you in my next video.